What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin, all up in my bathroom again. Today I'm coming with y'all with a quick little hair Q&A. Basically, it's just how to retwist your locks. Okay, y'all, let's get started. So for today, I'm going to use Organic Root Stimulator's Lock and Twist Gel. What I will do is I'll take a little bit of the gel on my finger, apply it to the root of the dreadlock, and kind of massage it into the root, and then also kind of twist the remaining gel down the shaft of the lock. After that, I will use the double-pronged alligator clip and secure my hair, or that lock that I retwisted, to the rest of my locks. It's really good to kind of secure it near the root so it really keeps it tight and clean. After that, we kind of just do that for the rest of the locks. Apply the gel to the root, twist down. You can even palm roll, which will help cut down on frizz. You can wear these, just put a satin scarf over your hair while you're sleeping, while your hair dries, and then, you get up in the morning, you just clip all these things out and it'll really keep your roots looking really slick. Like LaToya Jackson, slick. If you were like me and you've been locked for over a year or so, you maybe have been going to a loctician or a hairstylist and they've been doing it for you. After a while, for me, I wanted to try and be able to retwist my own hair. And so that was something that I struggled with in the first few attempts of it, just because, it was just, for me, it was just tedious. It was so, for one, when I was retwisting my hair, I was in front of a mirror. And so I had my hands up and my arms up like this. And I think the first time I did it took me 2.5 hours. And so my arms were really tired after the first time. I was taking breaks because it was just your elbows hurt, this whole muscle, your triceps hurt and everything. And it was just so time consuming and painful to do. And so I went back to Ashley after that so she could retwist my hair again. But I really kind of tried to stick with it to really see if I can get my technique down for my hair. So that way, if she wasn't available, or if I didn't want to go to her or necessarily pay to have my hair retwisted, I could do it myself. And so after a few tries, I finally got my own little routine together, and so I want to share it with you guys today. So what I do is that I usually retwist my hair after I've washed it. I retwist maybe every 3 to 4 weeks. I'm not too adamant about retwisting my hair every 2 weeks just because I'm lazy. I like to give my hair, my roots a chance to breathe. And I'm okay with new growth. I'm not I like the look of fresh retwisted locks, especially if I retwist with just a little bit of a cream or a gel to really get a slick look. And this could have been done even tighter, in my opinion, or not necessarily tighter like tension. I mean just tighter like clean. And but enjoying yourself, that's what you can do. So this is what I got thus far. But yeah, I'll wash my hair first. Today I actually did a hot oil treatment too. I may do a video about that later, or in the future. I should do a video about that because that's really good for your hair too. Helps moisturize and shine, adds nutrients. It's all good. So yeah, I washed my hair, did a hot oil treatment, and then what I normally do, normally since I'm almost 2 years, I will just retwist my hair just using a little bit of oil, and I think that's about it. Just using oil, so not much product or anything. I just use that Africa's Best, I forget what it's called, Herbal oil, I think is what it is. And so I'll just use that and retwist my hair. When you're retwisting your hair, make sure you twist it in the same direction that you started your hair in. So if you're doing it the first time yourself, make sure you've asked your hairstylist, whoever does your hair, what direction they retwisted, so you know. And then you just do that throughout your entire head. When I do it with the oil, I'll just moisturize, use the oil right through my locks a little bit, and then I'll just start from the back, and then just go lock by lock. What I normally do is that I will tie all of my hair in the front using a large rubber band or hair tie in the front, or ribbon tie if you have that. So I have the front hair in the back, and then I'll just kind of go row by row in the back and just leave the front row out of that ribbon tie. And I'll use one of those smaller rubber bands in place to hold that first row. And so I'll go through, retwist that row, if I'm not using oil, just kind of palm roll each thing really quickly just to kind of cut down frizz. So I'll do that each row, and then I'll just go row by row and take out a lock and do that, and then put it in the retwisted section of Locs, and I'll do that, and I'll just go row by row. And I've gotten to the point now where I can do it in about 45 minutes to an hour, which isn't that bad. I watched an episode of Orange is the New Black, so that's cool. It helps pass the time, and it's not too tedious or too, you know, boring or anything. So that's basically it. Yeah. Today I actually used a little bit of this stuff, Organic Root Stimulator's Lock and Twist Gel. Again, when you're using gels, they tend to stay in your locks longer, and they can leave buildup if you use a lot. I use a very minimal amount of this gel when I retwisted my locks. So, you know, just be something to be worried about. If you're in that baby lock stage, of course you want to retwist your hair every 2 weeks to really encourage your hair to lock together. If you're past that stage, you know, if your locks have started to form, you can always, you know, pull back a little bit, do like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I know some people do like 6 weeks to 2 months. It just really, depends on how your hair reacts to when you retwist and your feelings about new growth. But yeah, so that's how you retwist your hair. Just a good look at how my hair is retwisted. You guys can tell that the parting is very asymmetrical and organic looking. It's not super symmetrical or grid-like. It's a very like natural root system I have on my head. But yeah, that's how you retwist your locks. If you like this video, don't forget to like and or subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections below. And thank you for watching. I don't know what else to say. So until next time, y'all, peace.